Krishna. Our scriptures say that getting human form of life and devotion to Lord Vishnu are really very rare. And the person who observes Chaturmasya Vrat is indeed the best. Chaturmasya means those 4 months during which Lord Vishnu goes to Yoga Nidra. The Chaturmasya period begins in the month of Ashadh, June, July, from the day of Ekadashi called Shayan Ekadashi, in the fortnight of the waxing moon. The period ends in the month of Kartik, October, November, on the Ekadashi day known as Utthana Ekadashi, in the fortnight of the waxing moon. Some Vaishnavas also observe it from the full moon day of Ashadh until the full moon day of Kartik. That is also a period of 4 months. This period is calculated by the lunar months, is called Chaturmasya, but others also observe Chaturmasya according to the solar month from Shravan to Kartik. The whole period, either lunar or solar, takes place during the rainy season. Chaturmasya should be observed by all sections of the population. It does not matter whether one is grihastha or sannyasi. The observance is obligatory for all ashrams. The real purpose behind the vote taken during these 4 months is to minimize the quantity of sense gratification. In the month of Shravan, one should not eat spinach. This year, the period is from 24th July to 21st August. In the month of Bhadra, one should not eat yogurt. This year, the period is from 22nd August to 20th September. In the month of Ashwin, one should not drink milk. This year, the period is from 21st September to 19th October. One should not eat fish or other non-vegetarian food during the month of Kartik. A non-vegetarian diet means fish and meat. Similarly, masoor dal and urad dal are also considered non-vegetarian. These 2 dals contain a great amount of protein, and food rich in protein is considered non-vegetarian. This year, the period is from 20th October to 19th November. On the whole, during the 4-month period of Chaturmasya, one should practice giving up all food intended for sense enjoyment. Simple living should be maintained in these 4 months, and thus concentrating on the devotion to Lord Vishnu. So let us all observe Chaturmasya Vrat and seek the blessings of Lord Vishnu. Hare Krishna.